وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I have not, meaning Allah, I have not created jinn or man except to worship me. 3 benefits from this before we move on. Benefit number 1. The reason why you exist is for you to make Allah your master. That is the only reason why you exist. There is no other reason. Not for you to drive a nice car or you to wear nice clothes. All of these are fringe. All of these are from the fadl of Allah. It's not the reason why you exist. So imagine if you say to a person, Akhi, listen, can you just go into that room for me and get me a bottle of water? Khalas, simple. Walks into the room, comes back with a tissue. Akhi, listen, it's just a bottle of water. I don't need a tissue. Yeah, I'll go get it. Goes back, comes back with something else completely wrong. What would you say to this person who does this for 70 years? I don't know if it's rhetorical. I don't think it requires an answer. What would you say to them? Allah has created you for no other reason except 3 benefits. Number 1, that you recognize and you believe and you submit to Him. He is your master. He is your Lord. He is your creator. He is perfect. He is infinite. He has always existed. He will always continue to exist. Benefit number 2, when you now recognize that, when you have that servitude, what's the second benefit? So, is it good enough for me to say that, oh, yeah, he's my master? I'm just going to sit here on my phone instead. Benefit number 2, إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. Benefit number 2 is you establish that servitude to Him now. So if He's your master, you obey Him. If He's your master, you stay away from everything that He has told you to stay away from. Benefit number 3. Now this is now connected to Abdul Sohan's question here. Now the ulama have mentioned, like we have just said here, the guy with the riba and the guy at the grave, we've said that there are 2 technical differences. But spiritually, there is no difference. What do I mean by that? This person has fallen short in his tawheed. Why? Because he's gone to the grave instead. And this person has fallen short in his tawheed because he has disobeyed Allah. He has not relied upon Allah. He has not believed in the qadr of Allah. He has not sought the rizq of Allah in the way that Allah has told him to seek it. This person has decreased in his tawheed also. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. When you can realize that the reason why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created you, there is no other reason except for you now to understand that He is my master. And I am His servant. Everything else in the dunya doesn't matter. Wallahi, it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is the one that created you and the purpose what He created you for. Everything else is after that. So if your master says to you, Rook, get married, we get married. If he says, get married and be nice to your wife, that's what we do. If he says, get married, be nice to your wife, have children, why are we doing that? Because of myself? You could do, but that's not tawheed. Is that tawheed? It's not tawheed. That's just you doing what you want to do. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. He is my master. I am His servant. The more you recognize these 2, the stronger your tawheed will be. Or should we say, the more tawheed you have, the more obedience you will have. The lesser tawheed you have, the lesser obedience you have, or the lesser tawheed you have, the more disobedience you will have. To the point that a person will disobey, shirk. There's nothing left. There's no iman left in this person whatsoever. He's gone to a point of disobedience where he's just now outright mushrik. He doesn't believe in Allah being his master or that kind of servitude. Why? Because of benefit number 3. The more you have of tawheed, the more you have of obedience, the more you have of tawheed. The more you have of tawheed, the more you have of obedience. And the lower, the lower.